Time has stood still in this place for too long. Stillness, the greatest enemy of a masterpiece.
Now, let us see if your heart still remembers how to beat.
Patience, old friend. We cannot rush the mechanical soul.
There you are. Welcome back to the world. The day fades, but the work remains. Now, to return what was lost. The pulse of the past lives again.
A new day for old mechanisms. Even the smallest tool must be perfect.
A maker's mark, hidden for a century. There is the light I remember.
I am but a temporary caretaker of these eternal things. Time waits for no one, but it can be kept. There is a secret here, a signature hidden by time itself. Let us see who gave you life, old friend. You are more than a machine. You are a piece of history.
Easy now. Find your rhythm. single flaw. That is all it takes to stop time.
There. You are breathing again.
Perfection is the only standard worth keeping. It is time to return this light to the shadows.
Silence will not hold this room for much longer.
There, the heart of this house beats once more. Every sunrise brings a new rhythm to find. A single grain of friction can halt a century of progress. Nature has its own clock, far larger than any I can build.
There, the heartbeat returns.
Time is home now. You have found your voice again. One final journey, old friend. The silence here is heavy, but it is about to end. You are home. Time will keep you company now. A new day for old mechanisms. Even the smallest tool must be perfect. A maker's mark, hidden for a century.
There is the light I remember. I am but a temporary caretaker of these eternal things. Time waits for no one, but it can be kept. Perfection is not found in speed, but in the steady pulse of a job well done. It is time to go back to where you belong. The silence here has been too long. There, the heart of the castle beats again.